Morning everyone, how are you? So today is 23rd April 2021. Welcome in your Dora class today. What we did yesterday? We did and word and sound word. For example, this is man. Man. And this is a pan. Pan. Mama makes tea for your papa, for your grandparents and for you all with the help of this pan. He uses pan in the kitchen for cooking. And this is a fan. A fan, a rotating device which creates a cool air. What is this? This is van. And see, one number is also written on this van. Number 10. This is van. Number 10 van. So children, what we are going to do today? Today we are going to do name the pictures. Okay? Name the pictures of and sound. So what we are going to do? We will recognize the picture first, and after that we are going to make their spelling. Okay? Which picture? Can you tell me which picture is this? This is a, yes, this is a fan. F and fan. F and fan. What is the spelling of fan? F and fan. This is the spelling of fan. F and fan. Okay, the next our picture is pan. This is a pan. P and pan. The initial sound is P and ending sound is and. P and pan. आप लोगों ने नोटबुक में भी ऐसे ही करना है, और जब आपको एग्जाम में आता है तब भी आपने उसकी इनिशियल साउंड और एंडिंग साउंड को ध्यान में अपने माइंड में सोचना है कि कौन सी इनिशियल साउंड आ रही है, कौन सी एंडिंग साउंड आ रही है. तो उन दोनों को जॉइन करके आपका वर्ड कंप्लीट हो जाता है. ओके, सो दिस इज प एंड पैन. दिस इज पैन. द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज, सी, दिस इज अ van, school van, and the number is also written on this van. Which number? 10. This is 10 number van, school van. What is the spelling of van? Yes, think in your mind. W and van. Initial sound is W, ending sound is and. W and van. W and van. And the next and last picture is, see, who is he? He is policeman. Man. And man. Initial sound is is M. And man. And man. So children, this is our today's PW. Name the picture. Okay, you also have to draw these pictures in your English notebook and write their spellings, write their names. Okay, like this I will show. So children, this is your English notebook, and write down date. Day is Thursday. THURSDAY, Thursday. PW heading is name the pictures. Draw pictures and color them nicely. Write their names in proper formation. Okay? आप लोगों को उस पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखना है. You have to look the picture carefully. उसका जो नेम है वो अपने माइंड में सोचना है. इनिशियल और एंडिंग साउंड अच्छे से अपने माइंड में सोचो और फिर उसको ट्राई करो बनाने की, उसका वर्ड बनाने की. Okay? So while you writing, you have to read also. Okay children, so this is your today's PW. Name the pictures. Thank you. Have a nice day.